Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to give someone access to your Shopify store. And to do so, it's very easy. First, you need to have created your Shopify store, which I'm assuming you already did because you want to give someone access to it. So let's get straight into it. First, go to the admin.shopify.com and then go to the settings button in the bottom left corner. So click on it once and here you will find yourself in this page. So what I want you to do is go to users in the users section here, and here you will find users, roles, and security. So we will go back to these users here. Let's go to roles, and here you can add a role. You can either add a role and name it whatever you want, and make a description, and then give it all the permissions that you want. So here can select all the permissions, or you can give it the permission to change the homepage, change the orders, the draft orders, etc. So just go through these and check whatever you want. So there are multiple options for each one. So just go through it and select what you want. Okay, now once you have made your role, let's just make it, for example, home, and then save it. Here I will have a new role. So if I go back here in the roles section, I will have this merchandisers marketer and this one. And then go to add users, add the person that you want, and then just give them the role that you just made. And that's it, basically. That's as easy as it gets. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.